So hey nerds, this is Suman and this is our today's integral and it is very much simple integral. So once you find out what you have to substitute, you immediately get the answer directly. So what would be the desired substitution here? So the way you are going to substitute is depends on how much you have practiced the problem, yes? So it depends on your problem in how much you have practiced the problem. So once you guys started once you started seeing the combination or the structure in the formula in the integral, you can actually predict in your own mind and you can actually play it with in your own mind. So I had done it a couple of times, so I know how to integrate it. So I would like to substitute x is my a cosine of theta, right? In terms of cosine you can write sine also, it depends on your choice. Let us do for our sine. Okay, it would be an easier. So once you substitute x, you get x in terms of some theta value. So thus you have to change your dx in terms of some d theta value, right? So I am going to differentiate it. That is d over d theta is a d of sine theta over d theta. So dx over d theta is going to be a cosine of theta, right? And I only want dx term, so I want to write dx is a cos theta d theta, right? And I got dx in terms of some theta and some in terms of d theta. So my integral is going to look like integral a cos theta d theta, right? And it is divided by under root of a squared minus a squared and x sine squared theta. So I is going to be my integral a cos theta d theta divided by, if I take a squared common and take it out from the square root, I got a under root of 1 minus of sine squared theta. So I get a cancel out and I get cos theta d theta over, and I get under root of, or simply I have to say square root of, sorry, so cos squared theta. So we simply get, once it is taken out from the square root, the cos term will going to cancel out and we got simply integral of d theta. So the integral I is integral d theta and we get something theta plus c. So our integral is in the function, our integral is the function of x. So we have to put our theta in terms of x, right? So how we can do that, or I can written. So from here I know that x is equal to a sine of theta, and I want to write sine of theta is x over a, right? And if I take sine inverse in each side, sine inverse sine theta is equal to sine inverse x over a. So the identity is, if you gonna multiply this three term, you only get theta is sine inverse of x by a. So in terms of our theta, we can substitute sine inverse of x over a with some constant c. So this is our integral. So the integral of under root square root of a squared minus x squared is simply sine inverse of x over a. So up to there, bye bye, and try to send your problems